Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of patio vegetable gardening. But with a twist, we're not just growing food, we're doing it with style. If you thought vegetable gardens had to be messy and rustic, think again. We're going to transform your patio into a chic, productive oasis. Let's face it, we all want to maximize our space and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. But why sacrifice style for functionality? With a little planning, you can have both. First up, let's talk about container selection and arrangement. Forget those boring terracotta pots. We're going modern. Think sleek, minimalist vertical planters to maximize space and create a contemporary vibe. Choose neutral colors like matte black, white, or concrete gray. Metal or wooden tiered plant stands add visual interest, and modular container systems let you easily rearrange and customize your space. For a truly chic look, consider metallic zinc planters, geometric concrete containers, or powder-coated metal raised beds in modern colors. And don't forget hanging baskets for a pop of vertical greenery. Now let's talk about some key design principles. Color coordination is crucial. Select containers that complement your patio's existing palette. Mix edible plants with ornamental varieties for visual appeal. Purple basil, red lettuce, and variegated herbs are your friends. When it comes to layout, create a symmetrical design for balance. Use varying heights for depth, and group containers with similar themes. Remember to leave enough walking space. Now for the fun part, plant selections. Let's focus on edible ornamentals. Herbs with visual impact like purple basil, variegated sage, and ornamental rosemary are not only delicious, but also beautiful. Decorative vegetables like rainbow chard, purple kale, and colorful peppers add a vibrant touch. And don't forget compact tomato plants in hanging baskets. Edible flowers like nasturtiums, marigolds, and lavender are not only beautiful, but also attract pollinators. Of course, practicality is key. Lighting and placement are crucial. Ensure your containers get 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Use wheeled plant stands to move containers for optimal sun exposure, and create shade zones for plants that prefer less direct sunlight. Irrigation solutions like drip irrigation systems and self-watering containers make watering a breeze. And don't forget a decorative watering can that matches your style. Now for the finishing touches. Add decorative garden stakes, outdoor lighting, and seating areas. Incorporate garden art or sculptures that complement your container design. Keep your tools organized in a stylish, compact storage solution. And for those on a budget, upcycle existing containers, mix high-end with affordable options, and start with a few statement pieces. Remember, creating a stylish patio vegetable garden is all about combining beauty and functionality. By choosing sleek containers, coordinating colors, and selecting edible ornamentals, you can transform your patio into a stunning and productive space. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. And let me know in the comments what you're growing in your stylish patio garden. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!